You might have heard someone say you need to eat immediately, within 30 minutes, or within an hour after training. I've even mentioned the last one quite often, and it's a good rule of thumb. But rather than the post workout anabolic window, what really matters is the peri workout window, time between your pre workout meal and your post workout meal. Most meals with a normal size serving of protein, say about 20 to 50 grams, the muscle building effect of this meal will typically last about 3 to 5 hours. That could be longer if you have a huge serving of protein, like 100 grams, but I don't know anyone chomping down 500 grams of chicken breast in a single meal, so let's keep it practical. This means we're focused on eating in the 3 to 5 hour window around the workout. So you could eat at midday, train at 1 p.m., and have your post workout meal between 3 to 5 p.m. Most people probably wouldn't do that because you'd be hungry after training, but you theoretically could if you wanted to. So while eating within about 1 to 4 hours before training and within about an hour or so after training is a great rule of thumb for most people, it's the peri workout window that is what truly counts. Preempt the comments. No, if you end up going 6 hours between meals, you're not going to lose all your muscle. You're probably fine. And before I leave you, remember that meal timing is just a small part of the bigger nutrition picture. To see how your diet scores for total intake, meal timing, and food type, DM me the word quiz.